Well, and as the COVID vaccine distribution continues throughout the country, Phase 1B is next. News 11's Arlette Youssef brings us more on one Yuma resident who was once against the vaccine but is now ready to roll up her sleeves.
The next group to receive the COVID vaccine are adults 75 and older. With so many questions about the vaccine, it's no wonder that some people are still on the fence about getting it. Many people want to learn more about the vaccine and see what some reactions are before they decide for themselves. Leslie Bella was among the many who were not sure about the vaccine, but that has now changed. Bella spoke with a friend of hers who happens to be a scientist who works for one of the companies that started working on a vaccine as soon as COVID began. His message was clear.
He said, don't worry about the side effects or anything else. He said, COVID is so dangerous, and if you get it, you're going to be gone.
After much consideration and outweighing the pros and cons of the COVID risk factors and the COVID vaccine risk factors, Bella decided that she is going to get the vaccine. She has already called her doctor and is now awaiting a call back as soon as they receive the vaccine, which could be as early as mid-January. But Bella says she has witnessed bad reactions to other vaccines, and she's also not a fan of taking a lot of medication.
I don't like medicines and vaccines because I think a lot of people take them when they shouldn't, medicine at least, and I think some vaccines, I've known people that had horrible reactions.
Eventually, it came down to science for Bella. The nation's top doctor, Anthony Fauci, getting the vaccine, and her scientist friends' words were a turning point in her decision to get on board.
Watching him and watching the other scientists and my friend, who's worked on COVID all this time, say what they think, then I'm for it, because these are scientists, these are doctors, these are people that know.
Phase 1C comes soon after with the 65 and up age group, in addition to people with serious health conditions. Distribution will continue throughout summer 2021 until everyone has an opportunity to get the vaccine. These details can be found on KYMA.com. Reporting in studio, Arlette Youssef, News 11.
Arlette,